Here I am with Rob Hensley at West Wyalong. He's fitted up his Ryan RFM Air Seeder with a disc, and I'll quiz him. What spacings are you on, Rob?
8 inch.
8 inch spacings, yeah. It's a double shoot, I can see.
Yep.
Then how did the split seeding go?
Marvellous for us.
Yeah. And what sort of rates were you putting down the front boot?
We're putting 80 kilos of MOP and 40 kilos of wheat and barley.
And you quoted me the other day, you said it was one of the best things you ever bought on your farm. Is that right still?
It was, because I used to not very happy burning stubbles, so this way we could handle all the stubbles we had last year, and they were up to 20 baggers, and we still went straight through them without one blockage at sowing time.
Yeah, right.
A lot of work and a lot of worry when you're lighting fires, and there's only me and my wife.
So what sort of speeds did you do?
It's about 10k.
Yeah. And what about your fuel usage? Did you notice that?
I reckon we cut a lot of fuel.
What else did you sort of find with the disc? Did you find they were like better than all the tyne jobs around the disc?
We had a great germination, because some of our country has got a bit of gilgai in it and that, and you through the gilgais and that with perfect germination, and that with the tynes we used to be out of the ground a bit, but with these we had a perfect germination through undulating.
Okay, so a lot of people do quiz it when it's on not on a parallelogram that it follows the ground, but with our front sowing boot, I reckon it would have worked for you.
Yeah, it's marvellous for us anyhow, and quite a few people commented on how good our crops looked, and even though it was a very dry year, we had not record crops, but our barley went about 15 bags average, and our wheat averaged about 9 over the whole lot. So
on a lean year of moisture.
Yeah, just that extra moisture, the straw helped us a lot.
Would you ever go back to tynes?
I don't think so. No, I'd never go back to tynes.
And the old Ryan air drills goes all right?
Yeah, beautiful. It's very simple, and I'm not a young fella, so it suits me down to the ground.
Yeah. And did you use pre-emergents with your discs?
Yeah, we did. We used a box of gold and some Trefla, and we didn't seem to have any trouble.
Yeah, right. That's good news. That's everyone quizzes that with disc, but I think a lot of people get stuck on single disc ideas where you'll get a throw with our double disc.
Yeah, that's right.
Is there anything else you want to say, or?
I've got no complaints at all.